Hi there, everyone. I'm just actually trying to show you what it looks like from a student's perspective and how it is that you find your designated TA. So just watch this and pay close attention. This is the home page for the course. Obviously, you'll see this little blue circle in the upper left-hand corner. That means account. It's sort of my version of what it would look like as a student because as part of the staff. I'm not enrolled as a student, but you'll see here, first thing you want to do is you want to just go to accounts, and you can go to profile. If you go to profile here, you'll see that you can't access it. But what you'll see here, in lieu of this, in place of this, you'll actually see something that designates your group status. You'll see a little hyperlink that says contact my name or someone else's name in terms of your TA status. And so just go there first. Now, if you can't go there for whatever reason, let's go back home. So we'll go back to the course. We'll go to, let's press the back button here, and let's go back to the course homepage. And if we go to the course homepage, we can also go to people. And if we go to people, and we go here, you can see a couple things. First, let's just scroll down. What do we see about all of these people? Well, we see that there are different kinds of roles, but you'll see a name right here for each person. I don't want to out anyone, but you'll just see a name here for another person. Look at those names. You can find your name here if you cannot find it in your own account. You'll see your name here. The other thing you'll also see, and by the way, that name, of course, is your designated TA. It's also the designated TA of your colleagues. Now, finally, let's go to groups. If you have any doubt whatsoever about who your TA assignment is, you can click on groups here, and then you can click on this. You may not see that, I'm not sure, but you should be able to see that potentially if you're in that group. If not, you can definitely go to your account page and go to your profile, and you should be able to see it from there. So again, what do we have? We have account profile right here. Click on that. You should be able to see who your designated TA is. If you go to the courses tab and you go to people, and then you click on type in your name. If we go to, say, let's even try account, you can't do that, but if you try test, student, maybe not. Well, you won't necessarily see that, but if you'll see other people's names there, you'll see that they have designated TAs right there. So you'll see account, you'll see courses people, type in your name. Finally, you should click on groups, and you might see that. Now, there's a fourth possibility, which is if you go to announcements, you'll see that announcements for TA assignment can be here. So this is, let's say, designated faculty. Look at this. Note, update on contact designated faculty in sections. There was a message there. There's another message here. So you can look at the announcements. The other final thing is if you go to your inbox as a student, you can't view it here. I have emailed you through Canvas Conversations. So actually now, the more we count it, we see 5 ways. Personal accounts, we see it through the dashboard. You can start through courses, and we click on the courses, and then you can go to people. So account, people, groups, announcements, and inbox. 5 ways to figure out who is your TA designation. Hope this helps. Thank you very much, and cheers.